Hello everyone, this is Vamsi from Codify.com, and today we are looking into LeetCode Challenge Day 5 of January 2021. So we are given a problem of remove duplicates from sorted list to. It is an entry-level LeetCode medium problem which is frequently asked in Amazon interviews. So let's read the statement. Given the head of a sorted linked list, delete all nodes that have duplicate numbers, leaving only distinct numbers from the original list. Return the linked list sorted as well. So here is our example which was given 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 and 5. So what is the output is they are removing the entire duplicate ones. So 3 and 3 is removed and 4 and 4 is also removed. So we are returning 1, 2, 5. As we can see this one. In the example 2 it is more clear that even if starts with a duplicate value 1, 1, 1 and we'll be removing both of all the three items and we simply return 2, 3. So this is our output. So let's see the constraints also. The number of nodes in the list is in the range 0, 300 and minus 100 less than or equal to node.val less than or equal to 100. So this list is guaranteed to be sorted in ascending order. Let's see how we can approach this problem using an example. Let's take our second example which was given in the problem, which is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. So this is the given example. Here is the linked list which is formed with those numbers. And now we will see how we can approach this problem. Here let's take a dummy node, which is nothing but some value with garbage value something. So which will be pointing to our head. Okay. So let's call this as dummy node, or even it will be called as sentinel node. Here we know that we have a header pointer, and let's take one more pointer. Let's call it as temp. So there are two pointers, one is temp and second is header. First we'll iterate through header and we'll be checking whether the adjacent values are equal or not. So let's take this one. Now head is pointing to 1. Now since 1 and next value is equal, we'll be updating our head value to the second one. And similarly we'll be checking again. Now 1 and 1 are all again same. So let's point our header here. And now 1 and 2 are not same. Now we'll directly update our temp value to here. And our header value also will be here. Now again we'll be following the same process, so that by the end of this list the temp only consists of the values which are not equal. After our iteration has been completed, we will be returning the next value of sentinel. Why next value of sentinel? Because next value of sentinel is actually that is the one which is pointing to our head. So by discarding this first node, we will be actually sending our sentinel.next or dummy.next. So this is the approach we are going to follow. Let's code through our solution. First let's create a dummy node. Dummy is equal to temp is equal to list node of -1, whatever the value is, whatever the next value. So we want to point our dummy node to head. So let's send head, while head is not null. If head dot next and head dot next head dot val is equal to head dot next dot val. Here if this condition is satisfying, then the next value is a duplicate of this value. Let's also write else condition. In else condition we will be doing nothing but we will be incrementing our temp. Temp is equal to temp.next. So if it is a duplicate, what we will be doing? So we will be iterating till all the duplicates has to be completed, right? So while head.next and head dot val is equal to head dot next dot val. We'll be iterating our head is equal to head dot next. After our loop is done, so the duplicates are completed. So now our temps next should point to our heads next. After any of these things is completed, let's iterate our head dot next. Next, finally we will be returning whatever that is present in dummy dot next. Why? Because dummy dot next is originally pointing to whatever that is present in head. So let's run this code. As you can see, our answer and expected answer are the same. Let's click on submit. It is accepted. Here, if you can see, we are traversing through our algorithm only one time through entire list. So our time complexity will be O of n. And the space complexity, we are using nothing but pointers. So our space complexity is O of 1. So if you need any help or if you want to help others, so join our Discord community server. The link will be provided in the description below. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please click on like button and don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in the next one. Take care.